AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollars. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here. Press the like button, click the bell notification, and below the video you'll find these links. You can join free Telegram for some free signals, and then join these brokers, start your trading journey, pay my fees if you want to. Check out these links, subscribe, like, all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. I told you on Sunday, I think a day before, that we will continue the uptrend. So in weekly we are above the EMA. In daily chart we are continuing, so you can see previous highs broken today. So today was US holiday, so US market was off today, bank holiday, but we have closed above the previous high in AUDUSD. Okay, so use this analysis for nzdusd as well in case you want to trade nzdusd, because I don't record separate videos for that. So this high is broken. Now if you are a swing trader, you will wait for the pullback and then you will go long if you are a swing trader. Okay, otherwise if you come back to 4 hour, we are in the strong uptrend, so we are not getting the opportunity to touch down the EMA. Okay, it's very common when you have super strong trend, it will just go and take all the highs before it bounces back. So in this scenario right now, I think this will easily carry on until 6570. Right now it's at 6554. I think it will easily carry on going up to 6570 before it can come down. So because I don't trade anything less than 4 hours, so I will wait for the pullback if I have to trade this pair. Otherwise, there are too many pairs for me to choose from. But anyways, if you trade this, they have to wait for the pullback. That's the only decent way to get some maybe 30 pips. Okay, so wait for the pullback until the EMA rejection and then blue candle, and then you go long. So right now, I'm not gonna take any trades in AUDUSD because the pullback hasn't happened yet. But this is going to carry on going maybe another 15 pips before it bounces back. So this is what we have in AUDUSD for today. If you like what you see, then you can like. If you don't, then you can dislike, subscribe, like, share the video. Not many people have this knowledge, and if they do, they don't give it to you for free. What I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands of dollars. Appreciate that. We'll see you in the next video.